Hi guys, welcome back. This is the fragrance I'm excited about. It took them a while because they had to get more atomizers, and I guess there was like a shipping issue with getting them. It took them a while, so they couldn't bottle their fragrances. So it took going on 3 weeks since I ordered it, but I'm sure once I get that figured out. Okay, I hate popcorn. I hate the popcorn things. Quit putting that shit in there. Yeah, this is Laurie Tampa Elixir. So if you know anything about me, I'm from Florida, the Tampa Bay area. Come. But trust me, it says Tampa Elixir. The bottles, they could do better on the bottling. It's a sticker, but it is a smaller company. And Laree, Laree, House of Fragrance. And I'll give you the scent notes. Someone that lives in Tampa said it smells just like the bay. Tampa Elixir. It says back in the golden glow of a coastal paradise with Tampa Elixir. This radiant tropical fragrance captures the bliss of sun-drenched shores, swaying palms, and ocean-kissed breezes, where every moment feels like a vacation you never want to end. Top notes are a juicy splash of coconut water and ripe pineapple mingles with the airy green touch of palm leaf, instantly transporting you to a cabana by the sea. Middle notes, frangipani blooms at the heart alongside wild jasmine and delicate lily of the valley, wrapping you in an intoxicating scent of exotic beachside gardens. Base notes, smooth and sun-drenched creamy vanilla blends with driftwood, warm amberwood, and earthy moss to create a radiant, lingering dry down that clings to sun-kissed skin. Why you'll love this. Tropical paradise in a bottle for the ultimate summer escape. The review. Awesome fragrance. Pineapple delight. I live in Tampa and the scent captures Tampa's vibe 100%. Well done, Laurie. So, yes, let's try her out. The bottle could be so much better. Oh my God, that smells good. Yes. Yes, it smells like, oh, that brings me back home. Oh my God. I want to go home. It smells so good. That is my favorite tropical scent. Like La Serena or Serena, whatever that one is, Isla Serena. That's my second favorite one. And you know, the tropical one from Victoria's Secrets that I got is a close third. But this, you guys, I don't even know what to tell you. It smells like you're walking along the beach and all the women, and men have their suntan oil on. And oh my God, I miss it. Or one of those beach, like they have a Hooters on the boardwalk at John's Pass. They also have one on Clearwater Beach. It smells like sitting out there because there's floral, like flowers all along the beach side, like bushes. And they both sit right over the water. If you were to sit outside on the deck, this is what you would smell. Yeah. Oh my God. It reminds me of Hooters on the beach. Yes. Okay. That's my favorite. I'm going to spray that on me because I'm smelling tropical already today. Oh my God. That's gourmand. That's gourmand, but in a beachy way. And I don't think it's a sunscreen type scent. A lot of people think, oh, pineapple, beachy vibes. You're going to get a sunscreen like solar. A little bit. But if you mix it with the Janie's Got a Gun banana, superb. That's what I already had on. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. You got to pick this up. But Laurie is a smaller, like I said, they're a smaller company. So that's why they're doing the bottles like this. But I still appreciate it. you know, when they're a smaller company, that smells really good. And it's really all about the juice, not the damn bottle. Well, I don't agree with that statement. Take it back, Melissa. I love the bottles. I love the packaging, but she's okay. She's okay. But anyway, yeah, guys, check this one out. Tampa Elixir by Livery. Livery did an outstanding job representing Tampa like that. You bring me home. You bring me home when I smell that. Yeah. Makes me happy. When skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my Florida away. Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, I even have my beachy like jewelry on I just got from Target. Yeah. But anyway, thank you for being here, you guys. Make sure you hit that hype button, the bell notification, thumbs up. In the comments below, put your dream vacation destination. I mean, it should be Tampa. I mean, the beaches. And to go see the original Hooters that I used to work a long time ago. But anyway, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I love you all, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.